Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To easily access the dipped beams, you must open the hatch found on the mudguard. Remove the protective plastic cover. To do this, turn it a quarter turn to the left, then pull on it. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. Before doing this, make sure to remove the power connector. Put the new bulb in place, keeping in mind the guidance spur on the bulb. Finally, put pressure on the bulb to block it in place. Reattach the connector. To replace the parking lights, remove the protective plastic cover. Pull on the black tag located on the right of the dipped beam bulb. To remove the bulb from its housing, simply pull on it. Insert the new bulb into its housing. Then, push the whole thing into the compartment. To replace the high beam bulbs, remove the power connector. Push above the hook, then move it to the right to free the holding spurs. Finally, remove the bulb. Put the new bulb in place by turning the flat side upwards. Then, turn the metal hook back up and push on it to insert it into the holding spur. Replace the connector. Replace the cover. Operation completed.